ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 50, Multiple Column Sorts. So we're currently working through Section 11 on sorting. We've already looked at sorting data. In this lesson we're going to look at performing multiple sorts, and then to finish off the section, the two next lessons will be creating and using custom lists and performing custom sorts. Okay, so let's get started on performing multiple sorts. So this is, as mentioned, lesson 50. In a list, the records, that's the rows, can be sorted into a specific order based on the values of one or more of the fields, that's the columns. To sort a list, the method is the same as for an ordinary sort, except that the data does not have to be selected prior to sorting. Selecting a cell anywhere in the list will automatically sort the whole list. In a new workbook, we're now going to enter the list information in rows and columns starting in cell A6. Okay, so starting in this particular cell, we want the words make, then in B6 model, then reg number, engine, colour, mileage, and finally price. Okay, in the row below, Austin, Maestro, YK51 space LMT, 1600, silver grey, 7124, and then the price as 2250. Just for completeness, let's widen column E so it can fit the words silver grey in, and then down to row 8. Vauxhall, Corsa, Y19 space LTJ, 1300, black, 74,123, and then 1,250. Okay, now let's open the workbook car data from your data area. Okay, let's view them side by side. So that's view, arrange all, and then vertical. Okay, what we wish to do is to, from car data, copy the range A1 to G10, and paste it in the new worksheet that we're working on, starting with the top left-hand corner in A9. Okay, let's maximize this now. And then let's save this workbook as Classic Cars. Okay, let's close the car data workbook. Maximize the Classic Cars. And now let's select all the data. Then in the editing section, select Sort and Filter. Select Custom Sort. Make sure in the top left-hand corner of the Sort dialog box that we have ticked the box which is My Data Has Headers, and then sort the list into ascending order by make. So select the down arrow next to Sort By, select Make, We want the values to be in ascending order, so in order we've got selected A to Z, and then press OK. OK, let's return to Sort and Filter and Custom Sort. Now we want to add a secondary sort. So in the top left-hand corner, click Add Level. Once we have sorted into Make, for each of the makes that are the same, we want to sort in terms of model. So select Model. The list is defined as having a header row with Make in the Sort By box and Model in the First Then By box. Click OK to perform the sort. Now, if we wish to undo, so use the Undo button on the Quick Access toolbar up at the top here, and that'll return the list to the original order. Insert a new column A and set the column width to 3 units. So select the whole of column A by clicking at the top, right-click, Insert. We've inserted a column, and we want the width to be precisely 3 units. So select the Home tab, then in the Cells section, select Format, Column Width, and we want to set the column width as 3, then press OK. Label the column number, so for short we're going to do N and then little o, and enter the number 1 in cell A7. Select the range A7 to A18. Using the Home tab, go to the Editing group and click Fill. Select Series and then click OK. This will number each row in order, starting with 1, going up to 12. OK, your job now, you want to sort by price in descending order, and we want to know which car is the second cheapest. Then, sort the cars into ascending numeric order by mileage, and we want to know which car has the most mileage. Okay, so let's look at the first of those. We want to sort by price in descending order. Select the range, Sort and Filter, Custom Sort. We want to sort by price in descending order, so that's going to be largest to smallest, and then press OK. And what we're looking for is the second cheapest car. And I'm hoping we can see second to the bottom of the list is the Austin Mini, which was £500. Next, we then wanted to sort the cars into ascending numeric order by mileage. So to start with, let's use the back button to get back to the original layout. And now let's do that, sorting the cars into ascending order of mileage. So Sort and Filter, Custom Sort, Mileage. We do want in ascending order, that's smallest to largest. Let's press OK. And we're looking for the car that has the most mileage. And I'm hoping we can see that that's the one at the bottom of the list here, the Fiat 126. Which has done a staggering 148,008 miles. We can now use column A to resort the range back to its original order. So let's do that. Sort and Filter, Custom Sort. This time what I want to do is to sort by number, from smallest to largest, press OK, and now we have the original order for the sort. So we have now resorted the range back to its original order. As an aside, if records are to be returned to their original order after sorting, leading zeros may have to be added to labels that include numbers so that they sort correctly. Okay, save the workbook using the same file name, which was Classic Cars, and then close the workbook. Okay, that's the end of lesson 50. In the next lesson, we're going to be looking at custom lists and sorts. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.